follow your dreams. Hustle and go for your wishes. Be patient, I hope you succeed.
On this episode of Uyaz'thol'uba, we visit Ministar-Wamagwinya all the way from Mfundo in Cape Town. He's well known by the tag Encourage Your Own Win/Winners and winning people's hearts with Amagwinya. Let's go and find out more about his story.
Encourage your own winner. Fresh mind. Encourage your own winner. Encourage your own encourage your own winner. Encourage your own win.
This is the coolest minister, yo. Welcome, yo.
Good day, everyone. My name is Mfundo Mbali. Originally from Mfundo, was born in Port Elizabeth, and ngoku ndilapha eMfuleni man, ngokuhlala extension 67100. You know what it is. Ministar-Wamagwinya came at a CPUT. You know, this came after I dropped out a Bush 2013, and then I get to CPUT, almost drop out because of financial non-don, you know. When I was about to drop out, because I always share my story and all that, so the student counseling said, except for why can't you use your background for the greater good, which is uqala ukuthengisa, you know. So I started nge-Russians, that Magwinya, you know. So as I go around the more, I shout this thing, hey yo, you know, and I'm always escalating people's mood, you know, from 0 to whatever number that person can imagine, you know. So this one time, you know, and I was talking with the Spinach King. He was like, I mean, like this business is growing. I mean, like, okay, in your office you can write ministry, you know, of Amagwinya, and then that and Nez comment and man and this fumane scale by except you assist you went to your assistant in my queen one day. So not man ministry. That means minister muslo. So office minister is a polo ministry of Amagwinya, you know. So yatibana I don't young minister Wamagwinya. Pity can go through the registration sector minister same way as parliament, but you're now original, it's a minister. It's nana Amagwinya because I can't say this is star. Yabo igwinya made me star, and then ndikhule igwinya likhona ndilincanywa nje igwinya ndilenza libe homemade because kwalapha endlini bendikhule ngawo, you know. And whenever now uhambe estratweni, if ukhona umzi apha estratweni wenza igwinya, that thing is better more than ikubetha xa uva ismell saka KFC. Khuliswe old lady yabo, single old lady, unemployed, lithengisa ifruit, sweets, peanuts, clear sometimes, netike yabo, because why it's if you know side B kwakuko apo khona Pick n Pay ngoka yindoni, but it used to be score back then, you know. So emva kwakhona apho kungena khona itrack olethi lalina stand abantu abaninzi abase side B Khayelitsha, they will know her as uDabs, you know. So ngunyana kaDabs and like she was famous, she's famous now. Veles TV, you know, Tabombik, you know, talking to her, but guess so ndikhule up moving to Cape Town at the age of 10, oleti erana that kind of a business, yabo. Having story some as Citronas, but having to wake up mzekelo ngo 3 o'clock from up in Fulani and having to basihambe to SIP because ndifunde so easy to figure kwam, and I was forced ngokuthi ndiconform to this entrepreneurship nami ukuthi ndiyazi ukuthi ndivuka ne-olate because there is no way lizandishiya ndizavana bandi na-10 ndiyafika ndazi literally no one in Cape Town, yabo. So from there yakhula lewe yabo yakhula, and i-olate ke ngoku as isikhathi sivaya I have to bandilala eboxini yebanana, you know, because anokwazi uvuka ngo-3 prime kade ndithi ndiwalka nje from ubheka enantikene because move up kwi-COVID ngoku, but used to work kwilihlathi hamba phaa ngo-half 3 and then ndandilala bra ngondihamba yabona ndilala, but mandivuswa lolate wena uzawungqubeka no ungalelanga ulele kodwa siyahamba. So that introduced me into business because xa umama funeke yothenga peanuts, I have to be there, yabo. I have to be sithengisa. Akhona benza ukuthi mama andiyazi English kufika abantu abatheni, but ubusmart ke nokhulela ke ngophambi olede legerezayo yazi once umuntu uthi cigarette olede iqhela ubiza price noba umuntu uthethe language, but once umuntu wamention peanuts or cigarette you just answer with price. And then I gelled and nami ke ngoku has grown ndikhula ndizifunela izinto zami ezinika that are expensive than what my mom can afford. I started ukuzithengisela iRussian ndizenzela iways zami. So that's the introduction of Mfundo Mbali into business, and I was born, I can say, in business because apparently kwa umama ngowayesayinthwele yabo ene fishery enayo nendawo ethengisa wine and alcohol eBhayi, you know. So yonke liwe ndayifumana, I think ndayincanca ebelini literally. So as isitsho nakwi documentary that I released that entrepreneurship, it's ilifa that umama gave me, yabo. Mhlamba I understand, but to me lilifa, I doubt if ngizawuze ndihlale ndibe broke ndinalando, because that mindset of being able to take peanuts and make money and go and buy new peanuts, take fruit and sell it to people and ihlali fresh, ibone the importance of yonke lando. It's what mna ndiyenda ifumana university, and xa ndiyibona le university, hayi man, this thing it's not something new, you know. It's something that I grew up doing, you know. And sometimes it hit twice because you are taught something that when I was telling you good diamond yayazi lewe, and then xa kufika ke ngokuthiwa phendula awuzuphendula what you know, you answer you are expected to answer what you have been taught. So yeah, introduction yami business iqale kanjalo Brian. Ngoku sekuthiwa nguminister eyo yonke lento bandibiza ngayo because of history that influenced me to be Ayo. Fortunately, I think one milestone is the trip to China. That one came Baba and select with CPUT because of leadership in community engagement. And also they needed a representative, you know, someone that can go and represent the facility. You know, we had 3 universities that were there, which is Osnabrück, which is Kuyang University of Finance and Economics, China, and the Osnabrück is Institute Germany, and CPUT. So I was selected, you know, because you know me most, I always share myself to the people. I don't keep my talents. I did like CPUT. A lot of people know me from office top to down, students. Everyone knew me because I didn't close myself into a box, you know. I presented everything that I do. I've MCT events as a high school, which has also exposed me and what I can do. So that one was CPUT. Thanks to Mrs. Sheikh in Belvan for that opportunity, and my faculty in the CPUT Cape Town campus. And as new trips was entrepreneurship trips, which is I went to Josie, went to Bloemfontein twice, which is activate leadership, whereby the switchers trying to get together, be groomed on business. So how do you run your business? How do you pitch your business? How do you sell your idea? If there is what they call today elevator pitch, would say the Bill Gate go elevator, we say to the next floor. That's more or less 1 minute. So what can I grab, or what can I present my business, you know, in that time, you know. So that's why sometimes I'm like, you're a salesperson, because I've been trained to go to whatever small time and now I must make sure to the information and need to abanye bandit. So information overload, but to someone who has pleasure, it's something that they need. Be quick. With 1 minute, tell me everything that I need to know, and then I'm still interested by asking the second question. So it was based on business, leadership, and opportunities, man. It comes as well because as in the situation Ngulomdu is always driven, which is what the AO you on itself, that encouraging your own win. It came because I have this heart, man. I feel like I can't succeed alone. If I had to succeed, you know, I have to have a band. Even if the glen down the go, yeah, I'm not successful by a lot of people, but there are a lot of people who have progressed because of what I've shared or what I've done for them, you know. But I'm not here saying I did A, B, and C for who, but my aim and my philosophy is to do that for other people. So that also opened doors, you know. I believe even this year there are a lot of opportunities that will come because I always present myself as this person, you know. And the lockdown have disappointed. A lot of deals that almost emerged going estate because there is a guy that I connected with while I was at Spinach King, who's doing another NPO that side, so those were the things that were in the pipeline. But again, it's not the end of the world, because now the country, it's getting opened, those opportunities will be back at it ahead. You said you are busy, also have the element of tourism, you are assisting somewhere, so that shows what opportunities again will bounce back to us, and then we'll get to be able to present who we are and what we are able to give, because I think life after corona is that, given people like me, opportunities both in varsity, both in our township, both in government space, whereby we can show or give a share that, okay, this is what we think, because we are the innovators of tomorrow. Whatever thing I'm starting with Ministar-Wamagwinya maybe might be a replacement of any big restaurant that we are currently eating, because we don't understand, because that generation would not know about inhloko yegusha, about igwinya, about the story serostin, about everything. But my company will be there to say, this is the life, this is the bread, but in the very high standard quality and service, at the very same time. So these are things that people need to open up to, because I'm not only doing this because it's going to help me make money now, but tomorrow it's going to help me, and help the generation, because who knows, maybe down the line I'll have 100 franchises just around South Africa, and then how many jobs will be created, how many lives will be touching each and every day by our service. Thank God ukuthi ndinomama, because yazibona apha kukhol Tutu. She does half of the job, or 75%, or almost every yonke into efuneke yenziwe. She helped me out, because sendikwazi ubhaka, sendikwazi urola, is because she helped me through it. Inhloko abantu besoloko compliment ukuthi zi-clean. Guys, for now, let me be honest, that credit, it does not come to me. She does everything on it, aziphale, azigqibe, and then from there ke ngoku I only take, and then ndihambe. Amagwinya for now, because mama can't bake amagwinya anymore, because the oil is suffocating, and my mom is 64, so she can maybe to try, because I'm still looking for that gas thing, so that maybe the sufficient of doing inhloko would not hurt her nakakhulu ngaphakathi, but okwalomzuzu kusasetyenzwa kanjalo brand safocus mna mainly emagwinyeni, and then umama yena assist ngenhloko, so it's that 50-50 kind of working relationship. But majority of it, sometimes zenziwa nguye. I don't want to take that credit, but me, I drive the energy where people love me the most in the streets. That's where you see me can petties. We feel like if I've seen, I'm like, nah, I'm used to it, because when it gets there, it's my role to play. But now in Chokos Paliwo, what is it that you have to do, Minister? Get into corridors as a CPUT, new geza fit floors zonke phayana, just to get inhloko zawugusha, so that uzoshiya abantu betheni benjenge inhloko yegusha bencumile usmile njani ungena smile.
Yeah, you're still tuning in with the Ministar-Wamagwinya all the way from Cape Town, Mfundo 7100.
Hello. Encourage your own win. Winner. Fresh mind. Ayo. Encourage your own win. Winner. Encourage your own win. Ayo. Encourage your own win. Winner. Encourage your own win. Encourage your own win. Be humble and follow your dreams. Hustle and go for your wishes. Be patient, I hope you succeed. Encourage your own win.
Ikota siswini ya kokote ya society business or ipi mali. We go 50-50 like Mendoza, yo. Hey yo, Ministar-Wamagwinya is in the building. Ayapela ke la Magwinya. Uzokulamba. Hey baby. Unjani sama? Yo mna nithanda ngala love ya la, love you very fast. Yo ngaske nide khamtlo inhliziyo yakho bene love bite baby. Bakudiza cha bengazi apha because yakutsala manje le ndawo yabo and ngincanye ezirest singafuni indingene which is sebenza taxisa kabuhlungu yabo so yabona nje city edge naseyinansikeni
ayele Belgium ngale yona
Ayo, encourage your own win.
Ayo,
Winner.
yo party people, this is the coolest minister. We're in the second race right now. City Urge is the name of the place, yo. Delivering Gwinya, you know. Delivering Kota, yo, cause the Susunia Kokota, yo. Business, you know. Yeah. Hustle. That's Ayo. Courage.
Hustle and go for your wishes. Be patient, I hope you succeed. Ayo.
Ayo! Kama yekusha! Ikota romantic, yo! Romantic kota, yo! Ayo! Ayapela, yo! Ayo!
Encourage your own win.
Ayo!
Winner.
Ayapela! Kama yekusha!
Encourage your own win.
Ayo! Ayo! Ayapela, yo!
Vai kushela. Ebundisa kanye mobile nje. Cigarette. Romantic kaloku le ine chicken hearts yane cheese yane qanda baby you. Kubimbuza by 30 rand cha. Otherwise usually 40 rand price yakha ndisani tlatsa yabo nje. Inhloko yegusha kubi nguwe 40 rand but komnye umuntu 45 rand. Bakhona ababhadala 50 rand, you know, depending on how hot they are on their pockets, you know what I mean. Ufune pop okanye ufune romantic wena. Uthi baby anjani ufuna sibe romantic. Naku nimnika ikota no chicken hearts ndiyakuthanda ba. Ndikuthanda la nto ngasisozithi end. Ngibheje apha phela nomdingile sisi. Awuphinde kampahla. Kawashi ngayizolo. Thank you baby. 45. Hayi kaloku transaction ibhatala ngekhadi. Khuphi 40 rand. Baby. Kan boleke sona sakho. Le yakhe hayi le. Yeah, boleke le lapho lo yokho ndini.
Yokho wani na? Kunani ngokwesifo?
Kaloku xa ubhatala ngekhadi, uyayazi transaction fee. Make a payment. Sell. So stay 45 mos. Kanti for no problem.
Xolela.
Okay. Customers zami zinshaye ngesilolo. Bethe ikota namhlanje, ikota ye pork stew and then ikota ye hearts, stew se hearts neqanda ne cheese. 30 rand. Kapalayo 30 rand, 40 rand but ndiyanophula 10 rand kuba ndisa. Hayi queen. If you can eat this one, buza phofu sisi bese bekhe wapha endleleni. Unigwinye. Hala bakho ngomzo ke standard sami. Inhloko ikhona do. Ayo! Ayapela yo!
Encourage your own win.
I love you.
Encourage your
Kunjani mayizururu? Go guys.
hustle and go for your wishes. Be patient, I hope you
25. Alright, I'm saying man.
Chicken heart. Yeah. Usually when you see you guys.
Huh?
The whole heart.
Badla inhloko noma nyawo, but they can eat the romantic part of it. I'm like, come on. Don't come on. I'm still busy. Don't come on. But like, jeez.
So chicken hearts and what?
Yeah, chicken heart. Hey yo! No!
I'm the only stupid person here.
Yeah, now I'm the most stupid person. No. Yeah, we have to.
Chicken hearts.
Chicken hearts in the egg and the cheese. It's
Only brought or something.
Carlos sonka.
Okay.
Go how? Don't you got this over? Hey.
Oh, ikota.
Ikota yo, ne romantic kota.
Oh, okay.
Tumanja ngena smile. Yeah. Oh. How come uthi full package kanjena ufuna necala mina la kuzoncuma njani uncumele ecaleni okay ufuna uncumele ecaleni yo amagwinyana lando oh I mean another thing open for me so that I can come out not come in this time around hey yo ayaphela yo Kusha yo, ikote suswin my kokote. Ayo, ayaphela ya. Kota. Hope behleli sisiye sweet Catsville. Dipeta makota romantic yo. Just imagine the kota is romantic. How much more full ke ngoku? Yo, ay sana. Itoko yekushi kona. Kona. Origina obote. Ayamela. Ayo. Ayapela. Wala. And could be going to the run, but you don't put the run. Okay, it's fine. I got a shooting on the no. Now the Christian, I'm never in virgin. Christian, young better. That's a bit. Please enjoy your. And then on Thursday, also what can I add on top of that so that we are fully observing the song. Shable Lavi, Etabuda, Nandabunda, Siamu, Mokanya, Siakota, Kon Smile, Kota, I think both usually put the run, but it takes anything just as an introduction. In a tada, in a cheesy, in a chicken hearts as it. Romantically above it, the quarter and taking over in it. You know? Yeah, if you buy food, I'll turn a cash.
Baby. No, I'm going to put the rand. That's a little.
Not to call the magazine talk of money.
Yeah, I'm going to go socially. The one who has very food is found for food price. They put that on that. If I report, you want to report 500, yeah? So, not that you lead up in the way. Ah, tu n'es pas faire une dame. Tu. Ah, super. I'm trying to standing here. I'm trying to corner. Never shall it be in that in this beautiful smile. That's a great candy. Oh, you're going to go touch. Be careful of those gold things that's one of the things that's not fun because stuff not packed. They do the things, not do the things. How's the break? How's the baby? Spaghetti, baba. I know hot, but
I'm not sauce.
it's sauce. Where's we gonna clean again?
right.
Really, Nancy. On top, on it is sauce going up. Okay, so you need to catch back.
No, it's true.
Okay, wow! Guys, you get it, yo? I'm being tipped. You know, it's more like in the Puzile. So I'm being tipped. Yo. That's yo, actually what you did, it's the definition of what I'm shouting. Yo, encourage your own win / winners. You know, so encourage me to make it at least a profitable extra. And now we are winning. So long as I win, yo, thank you. But take that number and text me. I will send you a documentary. The same number 61. We joke and we save it. Oh yeah, yeah. I say about more. I'm going to the airport. I'm going to go to the airport. I come from order. I'm going to share what is it that I have. So I'm going to pay you and I'm already a bit.
You don't have it
On the app, you can see maybe you say it. Show us the Nakaja, no, you ban the game of crap. Send me a text. Dagi Rodman. That's Money. Hey yo! Pink dollar yo! Smiley, smiley, yo! Hey yo, this is the coolest Ministar-Wamagwinya, guys. Yeah, it's been a great day. We went to City Edge, we went to St. Peter's, we went to Hanover, we went to NMJ, and we came to a Kedsville where bike we get rid of Wamagwinya and Intloko. So everything is sold out. As Ministar-Wamagwinya would love to, and because it's been a great day. We'll see you tomorrow when we finish up the stories. Ministar-Wamagwinya, A.K.A. Mfundo Mbali. We said, yo, encourage your own win / winners. That's yo. We're like, let's go home, yo.
Encourage your own win. Winner. Encourage your own win. Hey yo. Encourage your own win. Winner. Encourage your own win. Encourage your own win. Be humble and follow your dreams. Hustle and go for your wishes. Be patient, I hope you succeed. Encourage your own win. Be humble and follow your dreams. Hustle and go for your wishes. Be patient, I hope you succeed. Hey yo, encourage your own win. Encourage your own win. Hey yo, encourage your own win. Be humble and follow your dreams. Hustle and go for your wishes. Be patient, I hope you succeed.
Thank you for watching this episode. If you didn't know, now you know. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to share it with your neighbors. Until next time from us, we got this.